What if your roof could show you where the next failure was developing before the leak call?
Property managers already have inspection reports. What does thermal imagery change?
Reports show what someone saw. Thermal imagery can reveal moisture and temperature anomalies that aren't visible from the surface.
One building? Maybe. But what about an entire portfolio?
Optelos puts the thermal imagery in one place. Every anomaly is geolocated, documented, and compared. So the property manager can see which roofs need immediate investigation and which can wait.
So instead of treating every roof like the same emergency,
you prioritize the hidden problems before they become visible failures.
See the urgency before you feel the impact.
Live with Keith and Steve here, live on the tie-in every Thursday, 10 o'clock Eastern time. We're hanging out with Ben, Jay. But Steve, that's from our great sponsor, Optelos. And, as I'm learning about Optelos from you and John and the gang here at Division 7, Steve, why does it seem so obvious to me that every contractor or business person should have the Optelos platform? Because I think I've learned from you guys, you can do the work up there on your desktop. Am I correct, Steve?
Yeah, there's a lot you can see when you bring that rooftop to your desktop, but it makes sense that other contractors would want it, and it makes sense that property managers and facility managers, building owners, whoever that manages and owns a building would want access to that imagery. But believe it or not, Keith, people have not quite caught on yet. So on the contracting side, I know it's kind of fascinating in a weird way, right? On the contracting side, contractors are trying to get the work done. They don't have time to mess around with fancy tools. That's what, you would think that the private equity guys are up to, messing with technology, platforming these companies, and they are. And I do think that in not too long from now, we'll see PE come out with, all of this drone tech. And they utilize it already, but not in the way that we are with Optelos. And on the property management side, people get portal fatigue. We've had portals for years now.
Yes.
And when I talk with property managers about, hey, would you like to see your roof on your computer? The instant answer is, how much is it going to cost me? And is it easy to use? And so much of the time, it's like people have this portal fatigue. They don't want another login. And I get it. I do get that. But there's a way to manage it and to make it really easy. And guess what? When they ask me about the cost question, it's something that we don't even charge for. This is a part of our premium package that is, by the way, I say premium package, but it's an unpaid subscription to use Division 7 for preventive maintenance. So it's a no-brainer, and it's just about getting people to adopt at this point.
So if you're curious everything Steve is saying, go check out Division 7, go check out the Optelos offer, because perhaps the question is, what if the roof needs attention first, but you can't see it by getting up on the roof? Maybe Optelos has the solution for you. So thank you to the friends at Optelos for being a part of the program with us on the tie-in.